Welcome to EME4810 Applied Educational Technology. This is a completely online class, so it's important to stay organized and on top of your assignments. Right now I'm in the course information section of Blackboard, and I'd like to start with a syllabus tour. My name is Ann Musgrove, and you can reach me best on email, which is just my last name musgrove@fau.edu. I do have offices in both Boca and Davie, and here are my office hours. If possible, please make an appointment, but if you need to drop in, you're always welcome. My telephone numbers are probably not the best way to catch me. You can leave voicemail there, but it might be several days before I catch it. I'm on Skype most days, so if you're a Skype user or you'd like to experiment and start using Skype, please send me a contact request and I'll accept it, and we can easily talk on Skype. Here's the required textbook. Please get it as quickly as possible in your preferred format: paper, electronic, used, new, or rented. Live text is a requirement for this class. Live text is a College of Education requirement. Even if you're not an education major, you still need to have live text. Other than that, we'll use Microsoft Office, which FAU now provides you for free, and here's all the information about that and the link on where to download it and all that information there. Other than that, we'll use some free internet-based websites for our assignments. There are always critical assignments in the courses in the College of Education. Here's a summary of the FEEPs that we will address in the critical assignment for this course. There are always critical assignments. There are 4 different FEEPs that are covered by our critical assignments in this class. You will combine these 4 FEEPs into a single live text submission at the end of the course, and you will create a technology enhanced unit plan that will cover all 4 of these FEEPs, and here they are. Here is a summary of all the assignments in the class. There are 10 quizzes, each are worth 100 points, and that's 20% of your grade. You will create a free PBWorks internet site for your work, and I'll give you 5 points for that. There will be a DGO library, a unit planning map for the unit that you'll create, an assessment plan for the unit that you'll create, a data decision assessment, which is still part of your critical assignment. You will develop 4 lessons that contain assessments using various technology tools worth a total of 100 points. And at the end, you'll do a multimedia introduction to your unit. At the end, you'll put all of these together, upload them into PBWorks, and send me the URL to your PBWorks as your critical assignment for the class. That's worth 100 points or 20%. It's an online class, so the traditional attendance policy doesn't necessarily fit, but you do need to be present in class on a regular basis, several times a week, and it's my guess it will take you 8 to 12 hours a week to get through all the materials. For late work, you will receive a 50% deduction. I will not accept any assignments that are more than a week past due, and of course, when the class ends, everything has to be done then, not a week after that. Incompletes are rarely given in the College of Ed, so unless you have a major life event, that probably isn't going to happen. That doesn't mean that there can't be a grade change if needed. Here's the information about live text and how to get that again. Some information about academic dishonesty, the disabilities policy statement if you need to contact them for accommodation requests, something about netiquette, be kind to each other on the internet. And here are all the assignments in the schedule. Of course, they're described more thoroughly in the course. All the chapter quizzes can be taken twice with the time period assigned, and the highest score will count. So once you're finished going through the course information for the spring, which is where I am right now, which includes the schedule and the FEEPs and everything else that you might need in there, There is a place on the discussion board here, so if you have any questions, comments, or concerns that everybody in the class probably has, please post them there. And if you have the answer, please help each other. And I'm not the only person that can answer a question. If you know the answer, you pop in and try to answer it too. There's some other discussions up here too, like the student introduction that you'll need to do during the orientation, and some other stuff that will come up later in the class. All the starting information is here under Start Here Learning Units. Right now you only see the orientation because there is a syllabus quiz in here that you'll need to take. You can take that syllabus quiz as often as you need to, and once you score 100% on the syllabus quiz, which is multiple choice questions, then you will have the rest of the course open up for you. So I will see you online. If you have any questions, shoot me off an email. Also, you'll see on the discussion board that area with questions, comments, and concerns. So if you have any general questions about the class, you can post them there. And if you know the answer, help each other.